Today is Saturday, July the 18th. I didn't spend anything last night. I did say I was gonna go to Aldi, but I ended up not going. This morning I did go to Walmart. I got creamer, coffee, and light bulbs, y'all. And guess how much it was? $19.39 for those three things. Y'all, then on top of that, recording my cat stuff in this morning, no audio. I'm really upset, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. So yes, y'all. After work, I am going to go to Aldi this afternoon because I need to get some groceries for the week. So we're gonna do that. I don't really know what I have planned for tomorrow. I am going to cook a Sunday dinner, and we might go to my friend's house because she has a pool. So we might go to her house depending on the weather because I think it's supposed to rain. But yeah, y'all, we'll see. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, y'all, good morning. Today is Sunday, July the 19th, y'all. Yesterday after work, I did go to Aldi, y'all. My hair looks horrible. I'm gonna do it. Probably on my day off. But anyway, went to Aldi last night after I got off of work, and I spent a total of 47.50. Then this morning I did go to Walmart because I am doing Braylon's hair today, and that was $8.85. I did go over to Sam's to get some gas. That'll probably last me until Wednesday, and I spent $19.84. Today I wanted to take Braylon to a water park, but instead I'm going to my best friend's house. Her parents have a pool, so we're gonna go hang out there and yeah, enjoy. Yes, y'all. I do need to get a oil change this week. And also one of my tires, it looks a little flat. So I'm gonna go get that checked out. I did get tires from Walmart about a month ago, literally. And luckily this is the tire. I only got three. Luckily the tire that is slack is one of the tires that I did buy, and I have the warranty and everything on. So hopefully I don't have to come out of pocket for that. Do have to get an oil change. I know I need brakes, so I'm gonna get them to price the brakes. Braylon has trash in his cup holder. Gonna price the brakes and stuff so I can go ahead and get that done. And yeah, y'all, let's get started on this week. Good morning, y'all. So today is currently Monday, July the 20th. And yes, y'all, let's start this work week. So yesterday, like I told you guys, Braylon and I went to my best friend's house and got in the pool and spent some time with her. And then we came back home and relaxed and chill. We didn't do anything. Then, yeah, that was all that we did. This morning, I did not spend anything. So that is great. Super, super duper happy about that. Don't plan on spending anything tonight. Yes, y'all. Come with me on this what I spent in the week. But yeah, y'all, I'm on budget. I'm doing good. Just need to stay there. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday, July the 21st. And yes, y'all, I'm at work. Didn't spend anything last night. And I didn't spend anything this morning. I don't need any gas, so we're good to go. Tomorrow I am off of work. I gotta go do a few things. I need to go get an oil change, like I told you guys. Hopefully, I have enough time to go over to Walmart to get my tire checked. I really need to get that done. So it's like, regardless of if I have time or not, I need to make that a priority tomorrow, even if I have to take my son with me. So yes, y'all, $0 spent today. Yay! Talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I am currently at Walmart because one of my tires is flat. I came to get it checked out, y'all, and an hour later, they still have not looked at my tire. So I told them I would just bring it back on a different day. They said they basically don't have enough workers, although I did have an appointment, so whatever. Last night, Braylon and I did go to McDonald's. I ordered us pizza, but he went to McDonald's. Got him McDonald's for $4.66, and then I got the pizza that was like $11.65, I believe. My payment for my Apple Music came out. That was also like $12. Then I went over to get an oil change on my car, y'all. 82.50. Then my front axle is out again. Y'all, she checked the system and I literally got it replaced in October. And it was like $600 to get it replaced, and it's broken again, like it's coming off. She said that they don't really see that often. It's kind of odd. So I do have a warranty, but the warranty basically only pays for 150. I still have to pay for the labor, y'all. 495. So I am frustrated. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, I know what I can do. Just save the money to have it because I don't have that much in my car maintenance fund. So yes, y'all. Just trying to think. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. Now I am at Walmart. I went and got some Lysol wipes because the last time I got my car worked on, I got sick immediately after, and I feel like that's because them nasty men was touching the inside of my car and got their germs on my steering wheel and stuff. So when I get back to my car, I'm gonna clean it off with some Lysol wipes. I bought some Lysol wipes that was $2, and then I got an air freshener for my car that was $3.18. So yep, I'm about to go do that. I'm gonna head home, eat me some breakfast. I just want a biscuit and some eggs, so I'm gonna do that. Y'all, also, I was talking to Raylan the other day, and I was telling him how I was gonna get him a house phone so when he could stay home by himself, y'all, because I don't want him to have a cell phone yet for a good while, at least until he's like in middle school. But y'all, look at these house phones. I used to have a house phone. The kids don't know nothing about that nowadays. But look, house phones. I'm gonna get him one. Sure am. Call and check on them and stuff. But yes, y'all, I'm waiting for my pictures to be printed. I printed out me and Braylon's dad some pictures for us to have. Y'all, I'm just now printing out his pictures from his fall pictures. I printed out and his pictures for his spring pictures that he just took a couple months ago. But I finally got to it. His dad been asking me. Yes, he could have did it himself, but y'all know how guys are. But yeah, y'all about to get these pictures and head on home. Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday, July the 23rd. I talked to you guys yesterday. Had to get some work done on my car. Didn't spend anything for the rest of the day. I did want to go to myself a new keychain, but when I picked Braylon up, he wanted to go home. So I was like, you know what? Whatever, we'll go home. Went and got gas this morning. I put $20 in my gas tank. Y'all, gas is back up over $4 in Maryland. I don't know where I'm at. It's over $4. Put $20 in my gas tank. Then I went over to Target to see if they put out their fall stuff, but they didn't. So didn't purchase anything. But yes, y'all, that's what is going on today. Tomorrow, after work, I do need to go to Aldi and get things for the following week because I think when I get off of work Saturday, I just want to go home. I want to chill. I don't want to spend any money this weekend. Like I want the last thing I pay for is to be the groceries on tomorrow. And I don't want to spend any money for the rest of the weekend. I might have to get gas on Sunday. Maybe the gas will last until Monday, but we will see. I don't want to do anything all weekend. I want to chill. I'm going to even watch church on the line, y'all. I don't want to move this car. Gas is so high, and I'm just trying to keep my expenses low. Y'all, I'm so hard on myself. Like, I was trying to calculate how much it would be for me to get my car fixed because I think I got about the axle, which I just got replaced in October, is off again, and it's $415 to get it fixed. And I have a coupon that I can use by September 5th to get $50 off of the repair. So that leaves me paying like $365. I do have money in my car maintenance funds. It's a little bit close to $200. So I did the math, and I will basically have to come out of pocket like $250. So yeah, trying to get that money together in my car maintenance fund, y'all. Then it's like summer is almost over. I want to do some fun things with Braylon, take him to the parks, some amusement parks, some water parks. But y'all, like, I can't believe my car. Like, I literally just got that fixed. That's not something you get fixed often, and it's broken again. And I just feel like I shouldn't really have to pay for it. But I don't know. Like, I think I told you guys that there's a warranty on the part, but I have to pay for the labor. The labor was $400. So yeah, that's what's going on here. But I'll talk to you guys tomorrow to let you guys know if I say anything tonight, which I shouldn't. And yes, y'all, talk to you later. Hey y'all, today is Friday, July the 24th. I didn't spend anything last night. Didn't spend anything this morning. No, I just went to the bank to deposit some money because I need to pay my credit card off, from my cash envelopes on what I spent this week. So yes, y'all, that's what's going on. When I leave work tonight, I'm gonna go to Aldi and get some stuff for next week. I'm gonna be thinking about what I need to get from Aldi while I'm at work and make me a list because that's how I stay on track. A bug just flew in my car. Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday, July the 25th. I'm currently at the gas station getting gas. I'm a little bit over half a tank, only putting $20 in here. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart to get some face moisturizer because I am completely out. And yes, y'all. So I just put 1982 in here. I'm about to head to Walmart, get some face moisturizer. Then I'm gonna check out Target to see what they have. And we'll be on our way to work. We're gonna wrap this video up because I'm not spending anything tonight. So yes, went to Walmart. I spent $7.08 on a facial moisturizer. They were actually on sale. It was originally $9.97, but I got it for $6.97. So yes, y'all, it was $7.08 with the tax and everything. Don't plan on spending anything tonight. So this is gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.